How to post videos on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can post videos on Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com. Then, press enter to browse it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach this interface where, at the top right, you will find various options. Click on this plus icon that resembles Create Post, and then you will be taken to a new page from where you can post on Reddit. Once you reach this page, here you can add a title for your post. Now, to add a video to your post, click on this image and video option next to post, and click on this upload option. Now, select a video from your device and choose the community at the top. After that, you will see the post option here. Click on this post option, and it will be posted. And there you can see you have successfully posted on Reddit. So, in this way, you can post videos on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.